today sa designers. Sasaksiyan natin kung paano gumawa sila ng kimchi para sa kanilang mga guest. Okay, guys. Panorin natin yan ha. Just wait me. Well, nagpe-prepare pa sila ng ingredients. Okay. So, abangan natin yan guys. Okay? Yan yung kanilang chief cook guys. Okay. Ayan. So, masasaksihan po natin kung paano siya gumawa ng kimchi. Okay? Let's go. Come on. Yes. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Ayan guys, ayan na po yung menu ng paano gumawa ng kimchi. Okay? Let's go.
So I also have my assistant here to put in my mask. Yeah.
Wow, very good.
Then mix. This ko.
Chili sauce. Secret.
What I can say to you, onion pork, grind onion pork, and then really marami garlic.
Marami ka ulit.
Yeah. And then patties, Korean patties. And then
Okay ako na pag take off na lang.
Kung invented kimchi. Kung invented kimchi. Maglagay na ako.
That's good. Ayan. May new friend na partner sa travel, kaya yes. Okay. Let's go. Homemade kimchi guys. Original yan ha. Ayan. Only in the design. Ma'am. Okay. Wow. Homemade guys. Only here in designer in Baguio. Kimchi original.
mamaya.
Wow. Ayan guys, napakasarap ng complete ingredients.
That's good, that's good. Now, because the Korean has 4 seasons, that's why. They must have